What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to take this out on the trail and see how everything operates on the ATV and just have some fun. So let's go. This is a 2016 Arctic Cat All-Terra. It's not all there. We've removed the fenders, doing some maintenance on it, and we're going to go take it for a little ride. I would not recommend trying this at all because you would risk getting hit by gravel and rocks. So let's go. All right, here we go. Log action there. A little bit of downhill here. The only bad part about this, there's no protection from any mud or rocks that will fly up on you. I already got hit with some mud, and cow pies. So I would definitely not recommend riding without your fenders if you're going to run through cow pies. It's going to throw some dirt. You can definitely see those suspension components working there. And it is a lot louder too, because those fenders and everything block the engine sound. And now you've got nothing there, so. And that exhaust is hot, so you gotta watch your legs. It's right there. Uh-oh. That fan turning on is going to blow all that hot air on your legs. So another good reason to use fenders. Just getting some angles for you guys. Just kind of interesting stuff. Oh, run back. We'll get it back to the shop and put all our fenders back on and get it all ready to ride. So hope you enjoyed it. While I was out filming, I also noticed there was a ripped CV boot getting those different angles. So brought that back in the shop and got that fixed up as well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, taking this out without the fenders on and doing a little riding around. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to follow along, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.